I couldn't cook my food. I couldn't go walking. I really did my own self bad. I think if I had kept going like I was going, I wouldn't be here. I'm Ruthie Clemons, and I'm here to tell you I have Parkinson. I've had it for about 5 years.
The Drumming for Wellness program offered here at Ohio State LIMA is a program that's designed to take Ohio State students and directly involve them in this community of people with Parkinson's.
Early on with Parkinson's, it was a lot of that embarrassment. And to see her in the drumming class and doing those different things, it has made a significant difference in her acceptance of Parkinson's and then her growth in her muscle movement with Parkinson's.
We have volume 10.
When I got to going boom, 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 I found myself working my legs and my foot, and like I said, my arm. You know you ain't shaking from Parkinson. You're shaking from the beat of the drum.
This program isn't necessarily curing them of their symptoms, but instead, if I can delay their disease for that hour that I see them every single week, then that's a win in my book.
Well, I don't know a lot about Ohio State, but what I can say is I thank God for them.